All right, what we have over here is a Jeep Wrangler Oscar Mike Unlimited Edition. It has the big star in the hood. It's a hardtop white with a lift kit, and it has some moto metals with open country Toyo tires. They're 35 by 12.5 R20 with the Fox Racing Shock suspension lift kit. There's no rust on this thing. As you can see on their carriage, everything is good. It is of course a 4x4. It has a hard top that you can remove the top part just like any other one. Metal gas cap with the spare tire and all its mats. It has mats all the way around. Oscar Mike badge right there as well. Again, all 4 tires with almost new tread. This vehicle is flawless. It's a 2014 with low mileage. Let's go inside. Passenger side. Got the leather seats with engraved Oscar Mike star right there. Center console, cup holders, 4-wheel drive lever right there, and it's got a touchscreen navigation. I think everything works as it should. Over here you have the since 1941 and Jeep on the other side. It has the tweeter speakers and its mirror with the auto dim. Like I said, the rooftop, you can take it off, you can take the whole thing off, and you have the speakers right there on the back as well. Moving to the rear as well, again you have the all-weather mats, original ones. They're Jeep branded, and again you have the leather seats on the back as well. Great condition, engraved Jeep on the side, on the headrest right there. This is all power, and you got the rear controls right there for the windows with the cup holder as well. Pockets on the back of the front seats for convenience, and of course right here again, this is all power. Moving to the passenger side on the rear, again clean leather interiors, again Jeep branded, engraved on the headrest, floor mats, everything's impeccable, really good shape, just like new. Moving to the driver's side, again this is all power. Got the lock right here. If you know about Jeeps, you know the features that this thing comes with. Again, engraved Oscar Mike star right there, and the cluster, cruise control, radio controls, and all that. And it's only 57,000 miles. As you can see, this is a really low mileage vehicle. It's a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Oscar Mike Freedom Edition. Got the center console, opens up. You got a lot of storage right there. You can open up only the top, and you have more storage right here as well. This thing stays like that, or you can open the whole thing. And you got the windows knobs right here, AC, you got the traction control and all that good stuff. And this is for the mirrors, the power mirrors. and the 4x4 lever. Got 2 cup holders on the front. And again, no tears at all on these leather seats. It's a great condition vehicle. It's gonna be for sale starting at $35,000.